Hi, and welcome to the Prompt Silo. And the first thing to notice is these buttons link to the major AI art makers, and this might update from time to time. But basically what you'll want to do is start your workflow, and this is my own Pheeds Discord here, and I have it open, and so basically you just go back and forth, and that makes it simple. And you can open more than one at a time to check things out on multiple AI art generators. Click and drag and resize this. And you can see the different categories, and you just click to open them. That's pretty easy. And you'll click a button, and and I've opened all the tabs here just to show you an example of all the options you have. And this is kind of confusing. Of course, you won't want to have them all open, but this does give you an idea of how many combinations you can do. And you can use them separately, together, in various orders to get literally endless possibilities. Again, if you're using most of these, you don't need this, but MidJourney, here's your MidJourney parameters. Let me show you how this works. Let's go with maybe something like hillsides. And I'll pick Bob Ross. And whatever you click goes on the end, with one exception. The image prompt will always go at the beginning. Another thing, you can enter more than one line, and you will get cow, style of earnest, and whatever's added will be added to the end of the line. Now MidJourney is version 4, which is hot, and so you would click it. And you can copy these one at a time if you only had one line. And let me delete this and make a real prompt. Just copy this, come over to MidJourney, and we'll see what it creates. I'll pause the video and come back. And we're back, and this is the art it generated in about a minute for me. Hillside, style of Bob Ross. And the thing to note is I own this artwork. I can sell it, I can do whatever I want to with it, and this is a big advantage for a number of reasons. Let's come back over to the prompt silo, and I'll close these. And in case you want to check things out, here's a little trick you can do using your browser. This works in both Firefox and Chrome. Just select the text and search Google for Bob Ross, and you can select images. And this will give you a style of his artwork. And you can do this with just about any of the prompts in the prompt silo. And some other important things really quick, like maybe a comic artist, and then you'll use a camera, or maybe you want a photograph of a mythical creature. So you want something that's real that's also fake. You can put these in, or even artists with contrasting styles. And sometimes you'll confuse MidJourney, and other times it'll give you just really good results. So give it a try, but often it's the order. You can try reversing the order of these and put this one first and check those results, and you'd be surprised how different the results can be. And the other thing is to remove commas. You'd be surprised what commas can do. And MidJourney and most of the other AI art generators tend to put preferences on the first words. So remember that as you get longer longer prompts. And try mixing them. And just by the way, film styles, these are films to be considered artistically important. Not necessarily the most popular films of all time, but they should give you some good styles. And over here we have, this is for Kings and Queens VIP members. We have direct links here, and these will change and update. And you will need to be logged in and a member to access these links. Another thing that makes the prompt silo are these adjectives, which will help you quite a bit. Add these to give your artwork feel. Here's more resources for ideas, and this is a great resource here for you to check out. And it'll have a lot of games that will give you styles and things that are popular, so be sure to check it out. And here's some image enlargers. If you're selling artwork, you'll need these. Here's more text to art generators. And I'll keep this updated as I find them, but definitely give these a shot and check them out because there's a lot of valuable resources here. And this is between having the major AI art creators and all of these resources and ideas. The prompt silo is really something you should add to your favorites and bookmarks and make it your home base for whenever you start an AI art session. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye.